the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. percussion sound, rebel spirit all around. Scan step mixed with rage inside, no more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise, we are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame, nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside a dream. Break the silence, let it bleed, every rhythm plant a Djembe crawling through the smoke, like a truth the city broke. Steel and concrete, bone and wire, every step feeds the fire. Record swing in the metal storm, something raw, something burn. Feel it rise beneath your skin. Let the chaos pull you in. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Feel the earth. ancient side. No more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise. We are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame. Nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, it's a scream. Living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Tank step broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm will miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't nail, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain. Bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand, drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it all. Feel the ground wake up. Try. Feel the ground wake up. Yeah. Buried on a cracked city stone. Hit a rhythm like it's carved in bone. Smoke rising from a broken street where the past and future meet. Skank groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never is moving on